Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will fix the issue with the health bar and energy bar and also with the grenade. So if the number of grenade is equals to 0, okay, or it means that if the player doesn't have any grenade, then we will not show the grenade game object in the player hands, and also if the health and energy is full, then we will not allow the player to use the health bottle or energy bottle. So let's go ahead and do that. On the inventory script right here we have this update method, so let me actually do it right here. Okay, in the if and else if condition of the grenade right here we will add another if condition, and in this one we will say GM or game manager. Okay, this is the reference to the game manager script right here. Okay, and as you know that on the game manager we have the number of grenades right here, as you can see. So we will say that if the game manager number of grenades is less than or equals to 0, and also the weapon is active. Okay, the weapon 4 active is equals to true. It means that if the number of grenades is equals to 0 and the grenade is active, then what we want to do, we don't want to show the grenade in the player hand. So for that we will say weapon 4 dot set active, and we will set this to false. So this will now basically not show the grenade in the player hands. Then also, as you know that when the grenade is active, it is also shown right here in the current menu, and we don't want to show it in the current menu again. Okay, when the number of grenade is 0. So for that we will pass is weapon 4 active, we will set it to false, and then we will say current weapon 4 dot set active, and we will set this to false, and at the end we will call the is rifle active method. Okay, and what this will do, this will remove the grenade from the player hand, and also it will disable the grenade scripts, and also it will not show the grenade in the current menu. Okay, in the current rifle menu. So make sure that you type this if condition as it is, and this will simply solve the grenade issue. Now we need to solve the health issue. So for that right here we will add an AND condition when we press the 5 button for increasing the health, and in this one we will say player script. Okay, this is the reference to the player script right here. We will say that if the player script dot present health is less than 95, okay, it means that if the player health is less than 95, then in that case we will allow the player to use the health bottle. Okay, and then when the player present energy is also less than 95, then we will allow the player to use the energy bottle. You can set this to 100 if the present energy is less than 100, but I want to use 95. Okay, now save the script and make sure right here that you change this p to small p, because the reference name start from player script and the p in the player is small. Okay, so make sure that you type your name correctly as well. Then get back to Unity. Okay, and let's play the game. You can notice the present health and the present energy. Now if we go ahead and pick up this present energy, okay, and as you can see the present energy is 97. Okay, it is not less than 95 for now, and as you can see we have the energy and health bottle. So if we press the 5 button, as you can see it is now not using the health bottle. If we press 6, as you can see it is not using the energy bottle as well. And now if the present energy becomes less than 95, and then if we press 6, as you can see now the present energy restores and the energy bar as well. Now let's check out the grenade. Okay, so now here is the grenade. Now let me throw all of the grenades. So 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we have the last grenade left. If we throw it, as you can see the number of grenades becomes 0, and as you can see it is no more showing the grenade in the player hand, and now right here in the current menu it is showing the punch, and as you can see the grenade thrower script and everything is disabled. Okay, and now if we activate the grenade again, as you can see it is not activating the grenade back again because the number of grenade is 0. Then if we press the 1 button, we don't have any other rifle, so that's why it is not showing any other of the rifle. And also the health and energy problem is fixed as well. Okay, and with this done, let's end this video right here.